This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the first day of June. I'm Michael Groff. Today kicks off meteorological summer, but it won't feel too bad by June standards out there, as we will be below normal today. By tomorrow and continuing into early next week, we start a warming trend as high pressure builds over the southwest. So let's talk about it as we look outside this morning here just after 7 a.m. Partly cloudy skies in the valley right now. 81 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 39, humidity 23%. The winds are calm, the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, mid-70s to low 80s across the board. Satellite shows some high clouds over southern and eastern Arizona as some moisture continues to linger over the southwest. The watch warning map is very quiet. Some flood advisories, parts of upstate New York. Those are lakeshore flood advisories around Watertown. Flood watches, parts of Montana and Wyoming. Otherwise, not a whole lot going on there. The convective outlook, we've got a few marginal risk zones, including parts of Idaho and Montana, West Texas, all the way east into portions of Mississippi, and in New England from around Boston up to Portland, Maine. As far as our weather, let's talk about it right now as we take a look at the models and see what's going on. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. Weak troughing here in the southwest, so one more day of slightly below normal temperatures, partly cloudy skies, highs in the mid to upper 90s, a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm over toward the White Mountains and points east into New Mexico and West Texas. For us, though, we will remain dry, of course. And then tonight, decreasing clouds, lows in the 70s to near 80. Tomorrow, sunny skies, high pressure beginning to rebuild over the state. Highs around 100. 101 to 103 on Saturday with sunny skies. More sunshine on Sunday. Highs 103 to 105. Same for Monday and Tuesday. We're changing the maps every time, but the weather is not changing at all. Wednesday, that should be the warmest day of the forecast period with highs 104 to 107. Skies remaining sunny. And then here's a week from today. This is Thursday, the 8th of June. That's a 591 ridge right there over northern Mexico, southwesterly flow. High temperatures still around 103 to 105. The sky's sunny. Friday, we see a trough beginning to deepen further off the Pacific Northwest coast, and some of the models have begun to introduce a little bit of moisture advection here into the southwest. And the GFS even shows a slight chance of showers here in the valley, but I just don't think that's going to happen. Nevertheless, high temperatures may back off just a bit, 100 to 103. And then here's the end of the forecast period. This is Saturday, the 10th of June, and that's an anomalous trough if this verifies. Very cool temperatures for the Pacific Northwest, and even our high temperatures would be backing off, maybe even below the century mark, if that pans out. But of course, that will be something that we'll have to watch very carefully. Looking at temperatures through the period off of the European ensemble, yes, today below the century mark, but then we climb well above 100 tomorrow and through the weekend into much of next week, and perhaps a cool down coming late next week and the following weekend. We'll have to see what happens with that trough ultimately. And that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video back here tomorrow morning. Thank you as always so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our videos so every time we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. And have yourselves a great Thursday.